Hey everyone, RebeccaElois here, and today I have a super good video for you. I'm really excited because today I'm sharing all of my remote work necessities. First things first, let me show you my view. We're in Manila, Manipaka, Lechon. Shout out to all of my Filipinos. Manila, right there. The beach over there. And then we have the pool. There's a slide down there. I love water slides, so I'm for sure going down there later today. So we are talking health necessities, program necessities that you gotta put on your computer to stay safe, and then actual physical tools that you need to put into your mobile office. This is my mobile office. Her name is Sandy. Fun fact, my car's name is also Sandy. We'll put Sandy down, let her come back later. But if you're somebody that's interested in digital nomad life, or if you're currently a remote worker, whether you're working from home or traveling like I am, I highly recommend you watch this video and let's jump into it. When it comes to programs, one thing you're going to need and you're really going to want is a VPN. A VPN is super important to have. I use ExpressVPN, but basically the smart answer is VPNs basically allow you to change your location, protect your privacy, and increases your cybersecurity. So it kind of acts as like a medium between you or your laptop and then whatever public Wi-Fi network you're using. So whenever you are using public Wi-Fi, you want to have your VPN turned on. And another benefit, one of my favorite benefits of VPN, it allows you to watch Netflix and Hulu in countries where Netflix and Hulu are blocked. So I usually always set my VPN location to Los Angeles, and then I can go on travel and be in Korea, I can be in Philippines, I can be in Mexico, and you know, my computer thinks I'm in LA. Finally, I found this extremely helpful and beneficial, but you're gonna wanna have an international phone plan. Now this is especially important if you are planning on hopping to different countries. Let me give you an example. Last year I did Bali for 3 months and I was just in Indonesia and that's it, and then I flew back to the States. So during that time, I actually just bought an Indonesian SIM card, which gave me all the internet and the phone capabilities and all that kind of stuff. So that was helpful for them. But now, this current time around, I'm traveling to multiple countries. I've already been to 2 countries. And instead of having to go and find a SIM card and buy a SIM card in the airport or out on the street, it just takes more time. Ain't nobody got time for that. This time around, I really took advantage of my international phone plan through T-Mobile. And the crazy thing is that last year I had an international phone plan and I didn't even know, so I didn't freaking use it. I just spent money buying SIM cards. So check your phone plan. It might be international. I highly recommend it because it's saved me so much time and I don't have to keep taking my SIM cards out and keeping my little SIM card, and hopefully I don't lose it and all this kind of stuff. So get an international phone plan. Second category are tools that you need to have in your mobile office. So let's bring Sandy back up here. Trusty backpack. She's smaller than a carry-on, okay? So you want to be tight with your mobile office. You know, the first thing we're gonna start off with is an air tag. You want to make sure that you have an air tag in your most precious luggage. With me, this usually is where I keep my everything, my passport, my laptop, my camera equipment, everything is in here, so I always have this on me. Now, all these things will be linked in my description below, but something else you wanna have is a handy dandy laptop stand. This is so important. See, it's super tiny and it'll fit in your backpack. It's not very heavy, but it really helps with your posture when you are, you know, working on your laptop. And the next thing you want to have are Apple's magic tools. So we have here the magic mouse, which is amazing. And then I also have a magic keyboard, which I didn't bring to Manila. I actually left that in Indonesia. But Apple's magic tools, which really when you're working on a small laptop or like a 13-inch or 16-inch, you don't have to be like all up in the screen. You can really just relax in your chair and work from there. One thing that's super handy is having some kind of electronics bag or case where you can keep all of your wires. So we're talking phone chargers, USB, cables, memory cards, adapters, everything. I really like this one because when you open it up, it has these little zippers. So you can even put little like tiny things like this in here and it won't get lost, hopefully. See, these are all the cables that I travel with. This is super helpful, this charging block. Depending on the country you're in, they have different outlets. And so this allows you to use whatever outlet you need. And it has multiple ones. So you can do your plugs, you can do your USBs. And you see I have like my camera light, my external charger, my phone charger. And it's all just plugged in so you can charge everything at night and in the morning be ready to go. So you gotta bring one of these things. So when it comes to electronics, it's gonna be highly personal because some people carry more than others, some people need more than others. Like I have my camera equipment, a small mic and all of that, but not everybody films, so you may not need it. But make sure you have some kind of backpack or electronic case that can carry everything you need and still have space for other things. Like if you always carry like a light sweater or you carry a water bottle, make sure that your backpack is something that can fit everything and it's super durable. Sandy is a bit of a lightweight, but let me show you what isn't a lightweight. This is a big daddy. This is for those serious digital nomads. Oh, this isn't my backpack. This is Brennan's backpack, but this is a SolaGuard. This thing is waterproof. It has a freaking, this thing down here. It has a bajillion little pockets and knickknacks, and you can make it huge. Look at that. Look at that, bro. That's one side of the backpack. And then this side opens up too. And it has pockets and secret compartments so that you can hide things. Yeah, this backpack, and it's big. It's big. This can replace your carry-on because it also comes with a fold-out closet. So you can pack your clothes in there and then hang it up in your hotel when you get wherever you're going. This is a true digital nomad backpack. Me personally, I like to travel a lot lighter, even if it means that, you know, sometimes I'm ill-prepared. So for me, Sandy works. So just do you, maybe practice with a couple different backpacks, but I'll link these down below so you guys can try out both of them. If you're traveling the world like I am, if you're in Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, you are going to need a high quality probiotic. This right here, it'll save you from the Hershey squirts. It'll help lessen the blow of food poisoning. I'm telling you right now, probiotics are magic. But you're gonna need one of these. I've had Bali Belly twice and it's not fun. When you get sick, it'll knock you out for a week. You're dehydrated, you're achy. You have to stay close to the bathroom. You can't really go out and travel and explore and experience all the fun stuff that you wanna do. And at the same time, you won't be able to have the same focus when you're working to actually get your work done because you'll be sick. And nobody wants to spend their vacation or spend time in a new place stuck in your hotel room. Especially if you're a budget traveler, you probably hate your hotel room. So get yourself a high quality probiotic. Start taking it before your travels start and take it during your travels and stay consistent. Follow the directions. I take this every single morning right when I wake up on an empty stomach. Okay, the next thing is you wanna carry your supplements with you. So if you like your certain kind of like vegan extra chocolatey protein powder, buy those packets and take them with you because you can't really get a lot of stuff in different countries depending on what you have. It may just be like native to your own country. Me, I have all my supplements and my vitamins that I take, but one thing that I always have on me, I keep this in my backpack and I keep this in my wallet and one in my luggage, a pack in my luggage, is these Peak Electric Turmeric Herbal Immunity Radiant Skin Bioavailable Spectrum. It's turmeric. This is basically turmeric right here. These turmeric packets by Peak come in handy. So turmeric basically helps decrease the inflammation in your body, lowers inflammation. When you're up in the airplane, say you're sore from carrying your luggage, or maybe you went out snorkeling, it just was a long day and you got sunburnt, or maybe you're like Brennan and he smacked your face doing backflips and you had to get stitches. Like whatever it is, turmeric will help you heal faster. At least that's what I've experienced. Helps reduce the inflammation in your body. It's always good to travel with these. I love these from Peak. I will link it down below. My final health travel necessity is having some type of medicinal mushroom. Not magic mushroom, medicinal. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about these 4-sigmatic adaptogen mushrooms. So basically, adaptogens help your body adapt to stressors quicker. So let's be real, traveling can be stressful. Sometimes you miss your flight, you forget travel documents, there's travel restrictions that you didn't read online beforehand, now you're stuck. Checking into hotels, carrying baggage, Wi-Fi is acting up and you gotta get on a Zoom call. And so these are really helpful. I usually take one of these before bed, or if I notice that I'm starting to get a little ticked off and irritated or feeling overwhelmed, I'll take one of these. And they're super helpful because especially when you go into a new country, there are a lot of cultural differences. And even if you're someone who loves learning about cultures, some things can be stressful. Even if you enjoy it, your body can still be stressed by it. It's like exercise. Exercise is good for you. Say you're training for a marathon, it's a great thing, but it does put stress on your body. So it's good to take these adaptogens. I realized like when I started taking these, I started having a way more enjoyable time. So take these, I'll link it down below. I highly recommend getting an optimal health before you start traveling because it'll really help increase your happiness. It'll really level up your full experience in traveling. Your body's stronger, you'll be able to do more outdoor fun activities, your energy levels are higher, then you'll be able to go out and make friends and finish your work and do all the good stuff. So I highly recommend that. One of the things I did was really get my health in order before starting this journey, and I worked with an amazing doctor, Dr. Rajshri, who is also here on YouTube. And you know what? I'm just gonna link her down below in the description box. Check out her videos. Alrighty friends, that's everything I have for you today. If you have any video requests, comment them down below, hit subscribe, and make sure you follow along on the journey. Follow me on Instagram for more of this fun stuff. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay golden.